This happens once every few lifetimes. These chemicals hit me like white wine. 'Cause the sign on your heart said it's still reserved for me. Honestly, who are we to fight the alchemy? I feel so high school every time I look at you, and I wanna find you in a crowd just to hide from you. And in the blink of a crinkling, I am sinking, our fingers entwined, cheeks pink in the twinkling lights. Tell me about the first time you saw me. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never look away. I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. Things will never be the same. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night. Now I'm wide awake and I see daylight. I only see daylight. And everything has changed, and all I know is we said hello. And your eyes look like coming home. Oh, I know since yesterday's everything has changed. You're mine, 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 mine lover.
Hey guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so we know. And if you didn't know, this is actually a custom choreography for 2 of our students. If you're interested in us creating a custom wedding dance for you, you can follow the link in the description box and we'll create something specifically for your song and your special day. That being said, this choreography is now available for purchase. So if you like the specific one and you want to use it for yours, you can go ahead on our website following the link below to purchase that for your own and learn this dance step by step. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
And